Hello guys, we're still on trading, and this is Finstock Biztalk. This is a channel where we talk about businesses. We give you tips and insights on how to run, start and manage your business. We also talk about online courses, and today we're going to be talking about types of markets, and we have the dealers, the brokers market and the exchange market. So let's look in the exchange of assets. There are several different types of markets to facilitate trade, and each market operates under different trading mechanism. And this affects liquidity and control. And we have the three main types of markets. We have the dealers, that is over the counter. We have the exchanges, and we have the brokers. And let's look at the dealer markets. When you're talking about the dealer market, you operate with a dealer that acts. He acts as the counterparty for both buyers and the seller. And the dealer sets a bid and asks prices for the security in question, and will trade with any investor that is willing to accept those prices. So securities sold by dealers, they are sometimes known as over the counter or OTC. And in doing so, we find that the dealer provides liquidity in the market at the cost of a small premium. And in other words, we find that dealers, they set a bid prices lower than the market and ask prices higher. And the spread between these prices is the profit the dealer makes. And in return, now the dealer assumes counterparty risk. And dealer markets, they are less common in stocks, but they are more common in bonds and currency. And dealer markets, they are also appropriate for futures and options. They are other standardized contract and derivatives. So finally, the foreign exchange market is usually operated through dealers, and with banks and currencies exchanges acting as the dealer intermediary. So then we have another one called broker markets. And broker market, they operate by finding a counterparty to both buyers and sellers. And when dealers act as the counterparty, the delay with brokers finding an appropriate counterparty results in less liquidity in the brokered market. So traditionally, you find that stock markets were brokered, and stockbrokers would try to find an appropriate counterparty for their client on the trading floor. So this is the stereotypical image that Wall Street used to be known for. So with men and women in suits yelling at each other while holding pieces of paper, noting their clients' orders. So we find that broker markets, they're usually for all manner of securities, and especially those with the initial issues. So and then we have exchanges. So one of the three types of market, the exchange is the most automated. However, you find that if no buyers and sellers are able to meet the terms of price, no trades execute. So in the stock market is no longer a brokered market, having transitions to being an automated exchange. Traders are executed based on order books and that match buyers with sellers. And the advantages of the exchange is that the provision of a central location for buyers and sellers to find their own counterparties. And exchanges, they are automated, requiring no broker or dealer intermediary. So exchanges are the most appropriate for standardized securities, and this includes things like stock, bonds, futures, contracts, and options. So exchanges will typically the specific characteristics of the security traded on the exchange. And you find that exchange characteristic is that contract or lot size. We have contract execution, trading months. We have ticket size, delivery terms, and quality. So that is more on the type of markets. And if you want to learn more about trading, you can do this at Finstock Evarsity College. Visit their website at www.finstockevarsity.com and take an online course where you'll be taught in depth about trading and everything you need to know about trading before you go and trade. And if you're interested in learning more, so visit their website at www.finstockevarsity.com or call them at 0703-313-722 or send them an email at info@finstockevarsity.com. Make sure at the end of this video you comment, subscribe, share, hit on the notification button so that every time I upload a new video, you can always be notified. Until next time, goodbye.